First up is the Dyson 360 Vis Nav, a true game changer. Known for its powerful suction, precision cleaning, and intelligent mapping, it's designed to provide the deepest clean possible. With twice the suction power of standard robot vacuums, it lifts dirt and debris effortlessly from both carpets and hard floors. Its 360-degree vision system maps and adapts to a home's layout, ensuring complete coverage without missing a spot. The Dyson app provides real-time dust tracking, so users can monitor the cleaning performance down to the smallest details. Instead of relying on side brushes, it uses a full-width brush bar to make sure every inch of flooring is thoroughly cleaned. With self-adjusting cleaning modes, it transitions seamlessly between hardwood, carpet, and tile, delivering optimal results every time. Next, the iRobot Roomba Combo G9 Plus is a powerhouse that combines high-end vacuuming and mopping capabilities into a single device. It features a retractable mop pad that allows it to seamlessly switch between vacuuming and mopping without user intervention. Its smart mapping and precision navigation technology ensure that every inch of the home is covered with accuracy. The auto-empty dock provides weeks of hands-free cleaning, and with customizable cleaning preferences, users can set specific cleaning zones, schedule cleaning times, and adjust intensity via the iRobot Home app. The dual rubber brushes adjust to different surfaces, offering a tangle-free cleaning experience with superior dirt pickup. Next, for those looking for a robot vacuum with intelligent obstacle avoidance and a self-emptying bin, the iRobot Roomba G7 Plus is an excellent choice. It uses precision vision navigation, which means it can identify and avoid obstacles like cords, shoes, and pet messes. With smart mapping, it learns the layout of a home and allows users to schedule specific rooms for cleaning. The automatic dirt disposal system holds up to 60 days worth of debris, significantly reducing maintenance. Its dual multi-surface rubber brushes prevent hair tangling, making it a great option for pet owners. Voice assistant compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant allows for hands-free operation. Next, the Roborock S8 Plus is built for those who want highly customizable cleaning with superior suction and mopping capabilities. Its dual roller brush system enhances dirt pickup and reduces the risk of hair entanglement. With a self-emptying dock, it offers weeks of maintenance-free operation. The high-precision LiDAR navigation system ensures efficient cleaning paths, while customizable no-go zones and scheduling options let users personalize their cleaning preferences. The vacuum and mop combo features an intelligent mop lift function that automatically adjusts when moving from hard floors to carpets, ensuring floors are cleaned efficiently without any excess moisture left behind. Finally, the Roborock Qrevo Pro features a self-cleaning mop system that automatically washes and dries the mop pads, ensuring hygienic and odor-free performance. With powerful suction and carpet boost technology, it increases suction power when moving over carpets to provide deep cleaning. AI-powered navigation detects furniture and optimizes cleaning routes for maximum efficiency. A large dustbin and water tank reduce the need for frequent refills and emptying, making it a convenient solution for busy households. Seamless control is available through the Roborock app, Alexa, and Google Assistant. And there you have it. No matter which model you pick, these robot vacuums will make cleaning routines effortless, efficient, and stress-free. Thanks for watching.